I've seemed to complete life. I finally found the answer to being content in this world. It's a very simple formula. It's a bench, some sunlight, and enough money in your bank to afford some coffee and a gym membership. Hello, welcome back to another Ibiza vlog. This time it's a little weekend. Monday to Friday is a work week. Very successful work week for me this week. The Ibiza Classic contestants are all looking in insane shape. One more week to go before they finish their 12-week. Bit of GTL on a Saturday, although I do laundry, then gym and tan. Chance to let my head down a little bit, enjoy some food if I want some food. I'm training faster today, but I'll probably go out for some dinner tonight. Equally, if I wanted a bit of breakfast at Pacha or a couple of pastries, I'll have them. I'm working hard enough Monday to Friday to be able for it to work. So, little double espresso, head to Nirvana Beach, little outdoory gym session, get my tan on the beach. Stay tuned, enjoy the vlog. Gym done, laundry done, time to tan. It is a little bit cloudy in Ibiza at the moment, and it's when the sun's hiding, it is cold. I feel like I've acclimatised quite quickly. If I go out for a drink in the evening, I'm nippy, and I haven't packed a cordon either. I've only packed vests and t-shirts, but it's all good. It's all very good. Got a Zara on the doorstep. I'm craving, since someone mentioned it on YouTube, I'm craving this this French toast from Passion. So post-workout today, maybe a bit of French toast and some feta eggs. Has anyone ever seen the film Falling Down with Michael Douglas? There's a scene in that film where he goes into a fast food chain and it's like 11:03 and he orders breakfast and they say, well, can't serve you breakfast. That's just happened to me. Post-workout, wanted to go down to Passion, get some French toast and feta eggs. 1:04 it was. Finishes at 1. Fine. It's a sign. It's a sign to save your money and make your own feta eggs, which I've done so. We've also got a new... I'm tasting this before I have my eggs, which is a bit annoying, but things you do for YouTube. This is a new one that I've found. Banana toffee. The caramel, in my opinion, is the best. Then it goes chocolate. Wow. Valio. They just don't miss. A little bit lower in protein this one, 18 grams compared to the 20 in the other ones, but what's 2 grams? It tastes this good. We're in the barber show with ¿Cómo te llamas? James. We're in a barber show. I'm gonna little mid fade, I think. The previous guy butchered it a little bit, so hopefully we're in slightly better hands. I feel like I should run into the scene. 10k, just over 10k, did 11k, an hour and 15 on the feet with Kevin, George and Josh. Very good.
Replying to that wall.
Does it like I'm talking to the wall? I'll be doing that later. I'm doing that tonight. Oh yeah, here. Hi.
YouTube. I've been on the vlog before, haven't I?
Formerly Gymshark, now crafted.
Now crafted. I'm not wearing them. I am wearing them.
Any new pieces in the pipeline?
We've actually got one launching today.
Ah,
my man.
Well done.
Shop Tom's link in the bio.
Yeah.
I'll give him one.
We're just at Salina's now. I'm going to chill for a bit, and then these lot are going Blue Marlin. I'm saving the dough out here. I'm burning through the dough, so.
Black-eyed peas are paying here. What, my lumps?
Surely not.
My lovely lady lumps. Yeah, they are.
Oh, they are. Ushuaia. And then Pacha tonight for KeineMusik. Very excited. Show me a fit check. Fed up. Oh, yes. Okay, weekend in Ibiza vlog wrapped up. A good one. The Friday feeling at home is good, but the Friday feeling in Ibiza once you've finished your... the sun is making an appearance. The weather is miserable at the moment, and I mean miserable, and it don't look like it's getting any better, which is a real shame, apart from tomorrow. So I'm hoping it pulls through because, I mean, look at that. Today cloudy, Friday cloudy with a little bit of sun, Saturday cloudy, Sunday rain, Monday rain, Tuesday cloud. I'll fly home on Tuesday. So I'm hoping it's good tomorrow, so ocean beaches, nice for the boys. Saturday, black coffee, high opening. I think I've got just about enough serotonin left to do one more night. And then Solomon is playing Sunday, but we'll see. I think the boys want to do a little bit more chill, dinner, train, which I'm here for. You know what I mean? 30 this year. And I can feel it, so we shall see. Hope you enjoyed this weekend's vlog. Any questions, do drop me a comment below. But yeah, KeineMusik was superb. First time I've really heard of them the last couple of weeks, and they were fantastic. I think they're doing back-to-back with Solomon very soon. But very good. If you ever see them on your radar when you're out, definitely go give them a visit, because it was fantastic. There was like, it felt a little bit glitter boxy at one point. It was like pumping out the 80s, 90s tunes. It was brilliant. It was fantastic. Right, I'm gonna wrap up today's clients. Try and do Fridays. I might do Fridays. Sorry, clients, if you're watching this. I want tomorrow off, so I'm gonna do your check-ins tonight, so we can have a nice free Friday. Nirvana Beach, bit of breakfast, Ocean Beach. I'll see you very soon. Thank you, good night. Much love.